Huwag muna kayong mag-scroll dyan. Kung maaari, let's have a review. Knowledge is power. Mag-quiz tayo bago kayo magpatuloy. Try to test your power and say the correct answer. Question number 1. What is the process used by plants, algae, and cyanobacteria to convert light energy into chemical energy in food through a process that uses sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide? Ready for your answer? And the answer is photosynthesis. Sa nakasagot, congratulations, may alam ka na. Sa wala pa, don't worry, this is for you and you learn now. Let's move to the next question. Anong planeta ang pinakamalaki sa ating solar system na may kilalang Great Red Spot? Ready for your answer? And the answer is Jupiter. Sa nakasagot, sa lahat, congratulations, ang husay mo. Sa hindi pa, don't worry, this is for you and you learn now. Marami pa tayong quizzes na gagawin. Follow for the next